Alright, it's Friday morning. It's the final day of the power tour. It's day 3 for us, 3 days in a row of traveling back and forth to the venues from our home in Statesville. Today is our furthest drive up to Bristol, Tennessee. It's about a 3-hour drive, and I'm going to blend in with the specified route somewhere around Hickory, North Carolina, and see how many cars we can pick up and drive up to the venue with today. You excited about our last day here?
Yeah!
Yeah? You ready to go? You ready to go for this long ride today? Huh? It's going to be a long ride.
Yes.
Alright. Well, we're going to put the camera away for a while and hit the road. We are up in the mountains in North Carolina. We're just west of Boone area on 321. Aston, what do you think about this drive? What would you say about the area up here? It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah!
Yeah, it's really nice. It's been a really nice drive so far. We're just sitting in some traffic right now.
No,
they're doing some road construction.
It's not a line. It's a line.
It's a what?
It's a line.
It's a line of cars. We're waiting because they're doing some road construction up here, so we got a little bit of a wait to get through here, and we're coming up on one of the stops, and we may stop and get out and stretch our legs because we're about halfway there. So we'll keep motoring on. right?
No.
No. All right, Ashton and I have now walked around a lot of the ongoings here at Bristol, and we're both tired. We've seen about all we are going to see today. We're going to wrap up our video. We've got a 3-hour ride back home tonight. Ashton, what did you think about the show? Tell everybody what you thought about the show. Did you like it?
Awesome!
It was awesome. Yeah. What was your favorite part? Come on. Hey. What was your favorite part? Seeing all the cars and the drag racing yesterday at Charlotte? Yeah, you like that. Well, there you go. It was awesome. It was a good experience. I'll say this, next time I do believe I'll do it a little bit different, and we'll see what we got in plans for that. I'm probably going to do a follow-up video on this. But like I said, Ashton and I, we've got a little bit of a ride home, so we're going to go back to the car and relax. We're going to end our video here. And again, we want to thank everybody. If you found me through a search for the Hot Rod Power Tour, if you like my channel, please check out the rest of my content. Subscribe to my channel if you would. Hit that bell notification. Give me some likes, leave me some comments, tell me something you might want to see on my channel if you like this kind of stuff. And we'll be back in the shop next week, working hard on the Mercedes, trying to get that car finished up. So until then, we will see you again soon.
Yeah, but I want to see a car on the car show.
See him at another car show. All right, tell
Not
everybody.
today.
Okay, tell everybody, see you later.